Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Damn, what's up gang? Life White back with another video. From the last video y'all seen, we bought this fucking lemon. We bought a fucking lemon, bro. We bought the fucking lemon, bro.
This is a lemon scam.
Listen, don't justify it. Hell yeah. I'll tell you about them bitches. I'll tell you about them bitches. Facts, so as y'all can see, motor coming out. Shit, we took this shit apart yesterday. The front end, all this shit out yesterday. We just gonna drop the whole motherfucking cradle. And shit, we supposed to be going to the auction, wait, fucking Saturday? Damn, today Friday. Tomorrow, to try to find another wreck one that got a good motor. We just gonna, shit, drop a new subframe. They ain't got no front end damage. They ain't got no front end damage. We got the motherfucking Genie himself. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Come on, man. You look like a fucking old head off Friday with that fucking pick in your head, bitch.
Hey, man. My working pick, bro.
Somebody, this is working pick. So, yo, shit, I'm gonna try to set the camera up for y'all. I'll probably put it in fast forward. I'm gonna try to get the motor out in an hour, so make sure you like, button, comment, subscribe, put notifications, baby, to post another video. I don't think bro accepting swaps right now. I think he just, I don't know. Are you accepting swaps, bro?
Hell.
Nah.
After Easter.
He said after Easter he'll start back accepting swaps, you know what I'm saying? And shit, like I said, I better lock in. What's your Instagram is, bro? Splurge activist. Splurge, some shit. I don't know.
Activist.
Activist. I'm gonna put that bit in the description. Y'all better click that bit. Y'all better lock in. I ain't gonna lie, cause y'all been fucking with these. I ain't gonna fake. Y'all been like, look how fast he doing this shit, bro. He ain't give me time to even, you know what I'm saying? That nigga like he on a mission. Yeah, so we got everything off front bumper. That bit might be ready for Easter, shit might not. I don't know. Shit. Right. I ain't just shit. We'll see. That shit the light bulb coming.
That shit's gonna be done.
That's shit. You gotta hit that, but you gotta be not bullshitting. Hope that come back for that 10.
He told me he was gonna come back.
That nigga lying. I don't know if y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see, SRT thing. But yo, I'm gonna set the camera up, probably put it in fast. Comment, just like, comment, subscribe, put notifications bell, told team. Damn, fuck, I just said some shit. I don't even know what the fuck I just said. Make sure to like button, comment, subscribe, put notifications bell, tune in, post another video. Make sure I'm gonna set the camera up for y'all, boy.
You got more than that number? You can get the damn wheels off this motherfucking drop.
Up is what?
Get that damn wheels out.
You gotta kick that bitch.
Nah, the fucking lug nuts. They gonna have Mary come through.
These bitches weren't even tight.
I'm looking at them bitches. They missing the screw.
What the fuck, yeah?
I'm looking at them, though.
I gotta spin that bitch and keep. Take this shit out of my pocket, though.
You try to reach back up and like my other song, man. I'm cracking it.
I gave you two.
You ain't give me no flathead. You gave me
I
that.
gave you flathead. I never gave you that.
Oh shit. Damn, I hate these red clamp, bro.
Hey, well, I'm gonna keep guys with you, bro.
Okay.
I'd be actually grateful. But them bitches still work.
This is shit with a sensor.
We're gonna come off this bitch, boy.
I ain't gonna lie, I might gotta break this bitch and rewire this shit.
Just put a screwdriver in it.
These clamp belts, they're red clamp. camera supposed to come up with Libby. If they can get that bitch up with Libby, I can get, there you go. And push that bitch.
Oh, they gonna shoot it.
With a gun in, I got that.
Fuck. But
Bitch ain't coming out.
Oh, I think I gotta turn the goddamn wheels. I can tell it's breaking though. Oh, where it is like this. What you mean?
Stop bringing that bitch back down.
Hold on.
I'm gonna do that. Now I'm gonna drop his motor real quick. Alright.
Making them up? Some guy here. They ran up.
No, I'm just trying to unplug this shit. Whatever on the motor, well, no, this probably on it.
Well, that bitch. Oh, shut it. So what they do? So what they do?
That's on the Hornet. That's why I asked you what you taking off his Hornet. Nah, I can't take it off his Hornet. You just drop the motor. It's only if you take it off the inside. Hey, tell Cam pull up.
There you go.
Tell him, we probably gonna have some. They ain't coming out.
It's a long extension.
Yeah.
Wow, like that's hard supposed to get through with that.
They be really with most of those.
Fuck, you know what I would say that motherfucker. We got breakers. Let's see. So these both stay on the back?
Huh?
Yeah. So I'm saying, so we
Hit the 13s out of here though.
and
You got two more? Oh yeah, see, it ain't gonna come out.
so you drill a hole, a small hole or a big hole?
Look, hit this down here. Right here. You drill right here. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
It's on both sides.
I'm gonna try to see some.
Let's cut here.
Here, though. Ain't doing shit. Starting with shit, we throw him up. And he got a whatchamacallit, damn, how the fuck you do this thing here?
carburetor. This was already a swap.
Hey. Hey, that bitch came.
Watch it, cut my arm open on game.
Damn!
Straight.
Boy, that bitch deep than a bitch. This is bitch.
Pookie lean them bitches.
Man, Pookie ain't nothing.
Man, Pookie lean them bitches, boy.
That boy cracking over here.
Man, watch. Why you got my tripod, bitch? You ain't using it.
Man, I don't know where that bitch is. I had that
If I
bitch.
slap the fuck out you, gonna think I'm
You
wrong.
gonna slap who?
Bitch, I wish you would. Bitch, get back. Boy, nigga, do you something. Like Pookie lean.
Yeah, mow that shit. I'm done fuck with this car. My job here done. I ain't gotta do shit else to this car. Come on, son, stop putting a hold on my fucking.
Stop putting a hold on them. Them bitches got a hold already.
I don't care, bro.
Let's go, baby.
Let me tell you something. I
To
wear
the
shit.
hole in the cross. Nah, my bad.
It's a little stupid ugly little bit.
My bad, son. I'm trying to come true.
Yeah. That bit of lemon, bro. That bit came with these Camaro ass wheel. I put these bitch on the 5th gen today.
Nigga can put that bitch on the 69 charge.
What the fuck, man?
69 Georgia.
Man, I accidentally fucking deleted footage, bro.
Man, that nigga ain't got no brake caliber.
No brake calipers, no nothing. No brake calipers, no drive shaft, no nothing.
Yeah.
So look, man, this probably gonna be a big video. This just showing the breaking a bit down. Like I said, I had accidentally deleted some footage. I fucked up. I had accidentally deleted it trying to, trying to delete some old. Yeah, I deleted the footage. But make sure the like button, comment, subscribe, put notifications, turn on the video. Like I said, it's part 1 of the breakdown. Mode out, engine and shit out. So stay tuned. Like I said, I'll be seeing y'all. Why you record me, son?
Cause bitch, you acting like you finna
I'll be seeing y'all. I'll be seeing y'all. Y'all fuck with the little swap videos, like we'll be working on Dodges and shit. Y'all don't fuck with the Maros and shit. Like I beat the fuck out y'all. Like I promise you watching this, boy. You, girl, boy, man, woman.
Cub fake flash.
Yeah, I'm flash. I'm tripping. Make sure to like button, comment, subscribe, post notifications, Ep.2, post another video. Got another limit on our hands.
Oh, God damn it! Fuck